Hi guys, my name is Johan from Restoration.bike, and in today's video I'm going to install a Sanyo Dynapower bottom bracket generator. If you have any questions about the process involved installing this bottom bracket generator, feel free to leave a comment. And please like and subscribe to the channel. It's always appreciated. So let's get started. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Let me know if you have any experience with such a device yourself, and be sure to check out the next video. Bye for now.